All right, we're on lesson 4, and what are Newton's laws? Words you want to add to your page in your book is inertia. That's your only word. But the different kinds of laws are huge in this unit. These are the laws of the gravity that Newton has come up with. So you really got to know the difference between the first law, the second law, and the third law. I have several videos after you get done with this that I would like you to look at just to help stick it in your brain so that you understand each one. Once again, inertia is your main word, so make sure you have that in your notes. Then have it clear which one of the laws and how you want to describe them. Back here we said the mass refers to how much matters in the object. Weight is how much force is applied to the object. Huge difference between those two, even though they seem to be the same. Then you can click through this experiment. I'd love it if you did this experiment. First, watch all the videos that I have listed on Schoology. And then you can do this force of loose change. I think that would be really cool to do that. I have the things ready for you to do it in the box of 15 if you'd like to do it with your partner. Once you get that done, please do the end of the unit, or not the end of the unit things, the sum it up together, the brain check together, and then the applied concepts. Do the discussion questions. You've got some discussion questions that need to be put in. Once again, that's just part of the routine to get so that you really got it in your head. Answer the questions to the quiz. Then I want you to do the review questions together and pick one host time just as a study time. And we're going to work today on how to study, but then from then on, you've got to decide how you're going to study, because remember, then we're going to move on to taking the test. You have to have an 80% or better to pass this test and move on to another cool unit of force and motion. We have a lot of different options for the test. We will talk about those different ways to take the test. We can take them together and discuss them. We can maybe come up with a project to prove it. Those are some things that we're really going to work on this year of how can you show what you know, and it doesn't necessarily have to be the regular test like what we have here. We might start off this way, but we'll develop into it. Studying for the test is a whole new concept for you guys, so we really want to work on that.